there is a collection of personal care and food supplement products in DXN, as well as many more things. You can get a healthy and wealthy life if you use the products of DXN and focus on building a solid networks which helps to promote the products of DXN and uses the products of DXN. The another reason you should not choose any other network marketing company, because other network marketing companies will charge you a bigger amount of money at the joining, and most of the companies which are just money circulation company, it means the company who does not have any product, only money in and money out happens. These are the riskiest company. They can take away your money at any point. It is very risky to work in that company which has a very high joining fees, because people do not join those companies which has very high fees at beginning, and the chance of growth is very low in those type of company. But don't worry, DXN is a product based company and absolutely free to join. You don't have to pay for the joining. Yes, you don't have to pay even a single dollar to join DXN. It's completely free. Only you have to pay for the products. You can join and start building your network for free from today. And DXN is not a money circulation company. It's the product based company. Due to the quality of the product and the results from the product, the DXN is working from 27 years. Yes, it is a 27 years old company, and it is working globally in 184 plus countries, and you can join any person from anywhere for absolutely free. And not only that, there are 9 million plus active members, and now the opportunity is yours. Join DXN today and start creating your network, because you must have heard network is equal to net worth. It is valid 100% in network marketing. And the another reason to join DXN is that it gives bonus in the single line. There is no any other network marketing company which will provide you bonus in the single line. In DXN, if your downline achieves the same rank as you are, then you are promoted one rank higher, that is 3% higher rank. The another reason to join DXN is that the other network marketing companies are based on the binary model, in which we have to balance left leg and right leg equally within a week, which is next to impossible. If your team is growing, it never balances, and if you leave working, then your payout also drastically decreases. But DXN is a network marketing company which is based on a pyramid model. You can open multiple legs, any number of legs you want. You can make any type of team, any type of structure you want. There are no restrictions, and there is unlimited chance of growth and stability in this type of model, because your team keeps multiplying over time. In binary model based company, you cannot estimate what will be your income of this month. It is very unstable and keeps increasing and decreasing. But in the pyramid model, that is in DXN, your income keeps growing exponentially. The most important factor in the exponential growth is time. The more time you give to this business, the more your business grows. So stop wasting your time. Don't waste your time. Join DXN as soon as possible. After just finishing this video, join DXN. There are so many more advantages of joining DXN. If I keep explaining those advantages, then it may take 2 to 3 hours, and this video has already been so long. Therefore, I would like to say that join DXN today and start building your network from today, because your network is your network. Start from your friends and family members as well as your relatives. Give them also an opportunity to do something big in their life. If you are thinking yet, should I join DXN or not, then I'm giving you one more reason that why you should join DXN now. We all know that we cannot achieve anything big while just doing a job, so we should focus on business, which may be part-time or full-time, because there is very less money in the comparison of our effort in job, and we don't have time freedom to do something extra in job. If we think about opening a business or focus on an startup, then we have to invest a lot of money on advertisement and marketing. And in this cutthroat competition, according to a survey, 9 out of 10 startups gets closed or vanish within a year of opening. Not only that, we should focus on creating a unique product, and it requires a lot of money as investment to open a business. For an example, let us consider a person who wants to open a business. He anyhow arranged $1 million to start the business. That amount of money may be taken by him as a loan, or it may be his own. After arranging the money, he needs to create a plan for the startup, and the plan may work or not. It is very uncertain to say that, because the chance was 9 out of 10, and particularly after this coronavirus time, it has very low chances that the business will be successful. Now consider for a while, the business became successful. Now it takes minimum of 3 to 5 years to recover that money from that business, and only after that he will start gaining profit from that money. Now consider the another scenario. If that person joins DXN for free and works in DXN for 3 to 5 years, he uses the products of DXN and focuses on creating a good team, then he definitely will create a good source of compounding passive income, because the plan of DXN is already successful. We just have to work on that. There is no risk as there is no major investment, but